Hello, I am Fiona Maguire from fionamaguire.com. I'm feeling quite vulnerable because this is the first time I've publicly shared that I can receive messages from other beings. I had an accident last year and I almost died, and I believe a star being. I saw it in a meditation, so for me, I know it's real. A star being came down and saved me, and the star being told me that it's time for me to be the star being that I am. I then started communicating with them, and this is the second time that I've written it down. And reading this message through again, I can see that even though the message is deeply personal, it's also to be shared. So I'm going to read it to you and share it with you in the hope that it will inspire you to find your quiet place, to find your resting place, and to listen, because that's what they're asking us to do, listen for our own guidance. This is the start of the message. You are joy and peace. Feel them in you. When it is not there, wait for it to be there before you speak or do. It has not always been easy for you. We know that, but you chose to come here. You wanted to understand and experience human love, but you have been lost chasing it rather than allowing the love that you are to fill you from the inside. This is the plight of most human beings. Now you have come to a more full understanding. Let go of the past stories that hold this old story together. Trust in who you are. Communicate more with us. Allow us to speak more freely through you. Make this a daily practice going into your future. Your intellect is not needed in this process. Get out of the way and allow us to come through. You are doing well. Now is the time to embody the star being that you are. We know that you think you cannot do this, but let go of that as you do it when you purely listen to your intuition and be guided to take action, even when it does not make sense to your intellectual mind. You have all the training you need. Stop looking elsewhere. Listen to us. Listen to your knowing. Let go of things that you know hinder you. You are alive and vital at your core. Allow this fully to move through you, in you, and radiate out of you. Your future is taken care of. You struggle because you do not listen. You have held on to the past without fully allowing this to be conscious, again, a human trait. But you know better, so drop it. Drop the past. Be present in the moment and listen. Nobody else's approval is needed. We don't even have that word, approval, as it makes no sense to us, as all is one. So no one else can or does anything to you. This is an illusion built from your arrogance or your own importance, which you call ego. But it is more than this, as it has been placed inside each and every one of you human beings to not listen to your inner guidance, knowing, to numb you down and keep you searching, rather than listening to what's inside. Other beings are around you. We are glad that you have started asking for their help, and they are helping you. You feel this in the building of your home. You can call on them and us. You sometimes do in your work with other people. If you'd like to know more, please subscribe to my channel or sign up to my website and receive my email list. I honestly don't know how often or how little I will get channeling messages from the star beings, but I've been guided to share them with you, and it's no longer time for me to hide and I get that it's no longer time for you to hide. So join me in this journey and let us help each other. In service with love, Fiona.